Today, the Total Log Cabin Restoration crew is in Scranton, North Carolina starting their next log cabin repair project. As you can see, this cabin is in dire need of repairs. Originally built in 1939, the cabin is located on the beautiful bank of the Pungo River. As in all our restoration jobs, it's essential to assess the log's integrity with a complete inspection of each log and determine how many logs will need to be replaced. After circling the cabin and completing the inspection, our master carpenter Mike has determined he'll need to replace 356 linear feet. This will be a large job to tackle, and in addition to replacing the damaged logs, the crew will replace all the windows as well as the window framing.
So now that kitchen is more level inside now.
Because the owner of the cabin lives in Seaford, Virginia, and he's not able to monitor the work in progress, Stu Thibodeau will keep the owner informed by means of a live video conference. Stu will be able to highlight critical areas of the repairs, discuss any changes that might be needed, and the video conference allows the owner to ask questions and remain active in the process. Faced with many structural challenges and unpredictable weather conditions, the crew has finally finished restoring the cabin. Once again, the Total Log Cabin Restoration team has demonstrated their skills in repairing and restoring a log home. If your log home is in need of repair, restoration, or any log home maintenance, contact us today and set up an appointment for a free estimate. Total Log Cabin Restoration is the name you can trust.